How do I log a Python error with debug information? I am printing Python exception messages to a log file with logging.error. Is it possible to print more detailed information about the exception and the code that generated it than just the exception string? Things like line numbers or stack traces would be great.
Logger.exception will output a stack trace alongside the error message. For example, output At Paulo check notes, be aware that in Python 3 you must call the logging.exception method just inside the except part. If you call this method in an arbitrary place you may get a bizarre exception. The docs alert about that.
One nice thing about logging.exception that SIGIF's answer doesn't show is that you can pass in an arbitrary message, and logging will still show the full traceback with all the exception details. With the default, in recent versions, logging behavior of just printing errors to sys.str, it looks like this.
Using except_info options may be better, to allow you to choose the error level. If you use exception, it will always be at the error level.
Quoting. What if your application does logging some other way, not using the logging module? Now, traceback could be used here. Use it in Python 2. Use it in Python 3.
If you want to support the channel,